Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. Ooh, my voice. I realized I did not start the vlog at all this week. My bad. I don't have much time right now because I have to go to work. But the last 3 days I've been trying this new concoction in the morning. Cause still lemon water, but I combining it with green tea. It's a little cold now, and usually I would drink it a little warmer, but because I have to go to work right now, so I just drink it at room temperature. It really helps with your metabolism because of the green tea. Apparently the green tea activates something in the lemon juice, but the lemon juice activates something else in the green tea, and they work better together. It actually tastes pretty good, even though they're... I don't know what it is, because you know how it's so sour, the lemon juice, and it's really tart? But the bitterness together, it actually works. It actually tastes really good, surprisingly. So yeah, I just brew it, I let it cool down, and then I just combine them both into a travel thing. I hate putting liquids that's not water into travel things, but I have so many of these now that it's okay if I ruin one. Because washing it is a pain. So I just transfer it. Easy. I brewed this green tea for about 10 minutes. I know it's a long time, but it's gonna get diluted by the lemon water. So I put the lemon water in now. Perfect. I don't know, the bitter, you know how green tea has a little bit of a bitter taste? But not like it's blech. It's a good soothing one. But anyway, the combination of both just seems to work very well for some reason. I don't know what it is. I like it. And honestly, the effects are really nice. It really takes away the bloating in your stomach, and I don't feel uncomfortable in my stomach ever after drinking it. It soothes it. I don't need a spoon to mix it, because I can just close this up. And give it a gentle shake, and it mixes. And drinking, I can also add honey to it. There's a little bit of it to bring a little bit of sweetness to it because it's bitter plus bitter. But I'm actually okay. But if I were to add honey, it would break my fast as I drink it, which is also not a bad thing. I tried it yesterday, but I only drank this starting at like 1, where I break my fast. So yeah. This is actually a really good idea. I forgot where I read it. I think I was watching some interview online. Basically, a lot of K-drama actors drink this throughout the day, actually. This green tea, lemon, water. But they actually add sugar, not honey. And they drink it, and it actually brings down their bloating, and then it helps their metabolism, apparently. But they drink it at room temperature, so that's why it's really good for me to put this travel thing. But not too hot, because it's not good for the bottle. But yeah, I gotta go to work. I just got home. Please ignore the mess, because it's the mess I create in the morning when I'm making my green tea lemon water. And I rush out the door. I got off work. I stopped by the grocery to pick up some proteins, because I realized I have a day off tomorrow, and then after that I'm working many days in a row because I'm gonna go on my little trip, which reminded me to realize that I think I'm not gonna vlog for 2 weeks after this week. Just gonna be a little bit of break from it, and then I'll come back better. Plus, I also want to enjoy my trip. I don't want to have my camera ready to, oh my god, I need footage, I need footage, I need footage. I hated that. That's why I didn't enjoy my trip to Korea. I was so focused on footage, and at the same time I was self-conscious because I'm in a different country where the recording laws are different. I don't want that again. So, if anything, if I film anything, it'll just be Instagram stories and all that stuff. I'm just gonna take a break. I'm not doing anywhere special anyway, so it's fine. Picked a lot of proteins. Picked up some more kimchi. It's not like I need it. It's just back up. They don't expire that fast. These are good until the end of summer. So, yeah. So now I have some protein. So next week if I'm missing a few things. I get off early Monday, but Monday's a holiday, so I'm not going to bother going to a grocery store because it's even busier because everyone's going back to work on Tuesday. I'm off work early on Tuesday, and so if I need anything, I'll buy something. But at the end of the day, I want to keep my fridge pretty low before I go on my trip anyway, so it's fine. If anything, on Tuesday, if I don't want to buy anything, I'll just buy takeout. It's just one more day anyway, because... sorry, Wednesday. I'm officially on my vacation on Thursday, sorry. But I'll just buy takeout the last 2 days if I run out of proteins. But Tuesday, maybe I'll cook one more thing to empty my fridge, if anything. But Wednesday, I'll just buy takeout. Simpler that way. I had my day off today and I had some plans and errands to run, but then when I woke up this morning, I was weighing it and I'm thinking, in my head I was weighing all these errands and things I wanted to do today, and in my mind I was like, you know what, it's not urgent. I don't really need to do any of that stuff until probably for a while. It's not urgent. I figure I'll get them out of the way before I went on my little trip next week, but I was like, you know what, I think I'm fine. So I just stayed in bed. I woke up like around 9. I woke up I was planning out at 10, but chat changed once I decided not to go out. So then I woke up at 12. It was a very lazy day. And then I made some food, and then I did some cleaning. I started laundry, and I was starting the laundry. I was like, oh, I'm feeling really tired because all of last week or this week and the week before, my sleeping has been pretty bad because of, you know, what's been happening, especially on May 10th. So because of May 10th, my sleeping has been pretty disrupted and I've been pretty tired. And all my days off I've been pretty busy with stuff, so I wasn't able to do anything. Or no, I was doing so much stuff that I didn't have time to sleep in. So I think today was a good sleep in. So I ended up taking a nap. I never take naps. I'm still tired right now, so the nap was definitely needed. So that was really good. I felt really refreshed after the nap. And then I just stayed in for this day. Pretty lazy. The plan was to just get some stuff done before next week, because I am not vlogging next week because I'm going on a trip and everything. It is a free, social media free kind of trip. Not really, because you know me, I'll be posting on Instagram. Basically, I want to enjoy the trip without having to think, oh my god, I need to pull my camera out, I need to film stuff, I need to have content. No, I'm not going to worry about it this time. I'm just going to have fun and relax. I think that will do me some good. Plus, you know, I should take these breaks once in a while from vlogging. But yesterday I did, was it yesterday or the day before? Basically, I did fill my fridge with enough stuff that I didn't have to go out today. And my mom was at Costco today and she picked me up some more stuff because she's like, do you need stuff? And I'm like, I kind of do. I kind of do. So my fridge is so full. Because I'm leaving next Thursday, I believe. I get it wrong. So I got proteins. Lots of proteins. I got 4 proteins here. And I'll probably stretch for like, not just 4 meals, probably 5 or 6 meals because I'll pack it. I have rice that I made this morning. I have salad that's all washed, ready to go. I have chicken wings. I have side dishes back there. It's really full. I have so much kimchi. I have radish kimchi. Like, it's all good. I am good for a while. So, fully stocked. Fully, like, I'm looking good. I'm going to go out. I also have, like, deli meats and everything, too. So, I'm good. So that's why I was like, you know what? Do I need to go out today? Not really. I'm just going to sleep in and do nothing. I think I need one of these days. Aside from the laundry and me doing some dishes, I really didn't do anything today. I just woke up, no plan, played some video games, and then watched some K-dramas, and now here I am. I think I really needed this kind of day today, so I'm really happy. Anyway, feeling refreshed, I'm gonna head to bed. It's a reasonable hour. It's just about 1 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna head to bed because I'm pretty tired, and then I have to work tomorrow later, so I'm gonna wake up tomorrow probably around 10 or 11, and then make some food and head to work. Feeling refreshed, hopefully, unless something disrupts my sleep tonight. I don't think it will because I'm still really tired, so I'm pretty sure just to sleep all the way through. I also didn't shave today. I just realized I was like, crap. I did not want to leave this for last minute to do, and plus I can't really sleep right now. I might as well be productive. I found my carry-on, my small little carry-on. I wiped it down because it was dusty, and then I'm just gonna air it out, even though I did air it out. Doesn't hurt. Oh, my compression packs that I used last time when I was in Korea. Anyway, I might as well air it out, get it ready. I'm not leaving on my trip till next Thursday. I know it's technically Saturday, but I am working Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in order to get my days off properly, so I don't really have time to really pack in between. So I might as well do a little bit every day, and I'll air this out, and then I'll make a list of things to pack tomorrow at work when I'm bored at work. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be dead at work, so I'll make that list, and then start putting things in here on Monday probably. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm not going to be vlogging next week or the week after. I'm going to take a 2-week break and just enjoy my little vacation. I know I didn't tell you guys where I'm going, but if you know me, and you definitely should know me, you know where I'm going. So I'm air this out. I'm going to travel light this time. So we'll see. I'm probably just going to use a backpack and that carry-on. That's all I really need. I don't know what I'm going to bring. I didn't really look into the weather, but I'm pretty sure it's getting warmer as it is, so I will know what to pack sooner or later. I'm supposed to meet a friend tomorrow, but he hasn't said anything in a while, so I don't know if he remembers or not. I'm not going to bother reminding him, because I'd rather use that time to prep and stuff. Oh, why is the phone going off at this hour? I better check that out. But anyway, I'm probably going to end the week right here, so yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, continue to follow, and you'll know where I am. Just look at my stories. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys in 2 weeks. Sorry, the camera died for briefly. I don't know where I ended up, but yeah, I'll see you all as in 2 weeks. So later.